Some people naturally prefer solitude, and as a result, connecting with a shy person can sometimes be challenging. Texting is a great way to communicate with more reserved individuals, as it gives them time to think about your message and consider before responding. To start a conversation with a shy person, begin with a simple greeting and follow-up question. Ask low-stakes personal questions to bond with them. If the conversation stalls, you can try an open-ended would-you-rather question or a similarly playful approach. Sending a meme or GIF can also help keep the conversation going. Asking for a recommendation or favor from the person you're interested in texting can lead to deeper interactions with them. Complimenting a shy person can also boost their confidence and improve your connection. Lastly, focus on topics that spark big responses to guide the conversation.